am checking out of a very beautiful place in Cancun that I stayed at for a few nights. This is my second time here, and I want to give you a little tour. This place is very budget friendly, but it's also very nice. You can see there's also a very nice pool. And I'm going to give you a little tour of the rooms, and breakfast is even included that they make fresh on the spot for you, which is a huge bonus. Just outside the entrance to the room is this hallway. Beautiful ceilings, nice flowers, and here is where we enter the room. So here is the room for the night. I think it's nicely decorated, and this is a king-size bed. And from the other side, you have the closet to hang your things, put things away, drawers, and what I like is that there are some nice robes here. And then you go out this way, and there's going to be the bathroom to the right. There's a little area here to put your luggage, a window. Not much of a view from this room, but there are other rooms that has a different view. And I'll show you the bathroom. All right, here's the bathroom, a little bit of plants for decoration. Pretty good size shower. There you have the toilet, the sink. Let's go take a look at the downstairs area. So you can see this is a converted house. That is the entrance. And what really attracted me to this place was the beautiful pool outside in this outdoor area. So there's a little lounge area where you can hang out. Some beautiful flowers. And they have one of the rooms that the stairs lead up to their balcony and right into the pool. Breakfast is included, and here is the breakfast menu. You have omelets, quesadillas, burritos, hotcakes, moletes, and there's a nice selection of cheese and fruits, along with very important coffee.